The Zonal chairman denied allegation of looting government money, demand proof of allegation. Zonal chairman Premlal Molsom challenged them to prove their allegation. Recently, it was reported in a daily newspaper of the state that Dhalai Zonal chairman of ADC Premlal Molsom is increasing his own funds by looting the money of various government projects. Tripura's head is breaking. The leadership is angry. Premlal clarified his position on this issue. On Saturday, Premlal claims that all the allegations made in the news are false. All government projects are being implemented properly. There is no question of looting money. Those who have complained have done so out of nefarious personal interest. Premlal challenged them to prove their allegation.
JTJT kam mathak jak tongmani ba wati ni bagai bibino karone tabuk je pendi umar onobo samunu rogo visit kaika monu rogo visit kaika abono tabisa kaham khai tangnani bagai ang instruction rika ani period ni JT kam rok pending kre ja mansak ang office hoite bibino elaka naitongo o abono bro mokol chorjegia samung kaham tangnai rono naimeya Dofani bagai samung khainai rong brok naimeya kisu niji chair niji morjada niji man saman manani muchungai allegation tuknai rono abona ani koimung tongnai norok judi proman hunuk mangkai abo kaham nongnai judi shot tongkai norok judi maikela langkangkai norok protiktik je ang rang chamani jonogon ni rang chamani abo pura paper on paper press meet kai pununani ongthung abo ani onurut tongnai
Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.